What's going on, guys? Robert here. Today we're going to be talking about the two best stocks to be purchasing for the first week of March. Stock number one, Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR. Currently they're priced at $23.90, and the following week, as you know, Tuesday and Thursday, there was a big correction in the stock market. Since last week, I'm actually down more than 10% of my stock portfolio. And I know some people are already down even more and probably down less, depending on what you purchase in your stocks. And as you know, when there is a stock correction, it's the time to pounce on long-term holds, stocks that you feel have value, that you will plan on holding at least 5 to 10 years or longer. It would be pretty risky with a correction to be purchasing stocks that are speculative and you're not sure if it's a pump and dump. So I wouldn't be risking, I wouldn't be putting money on those stocks that you're not 100% sure on. So back to the number one stock that I think you should be pouncing on for next week, Palantir, ticker symbol PLTR, currently priced at $23.90. Last week, I actually bought some shares of Palantir at $26.50, thinking that it wouldn't go any lower. And on Thursday, a lot of stocks dropped. And currently, you do not want to lose out on this opportunity to be purchasing Palantir while it's on discount. So stock number two, Zomedica Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol ZOM, currently priced at $1.87. I currently have a couple hundred shares of ZOM at 97 cents per share. 52-week high is $2.91, and I do see it going above the 52-week high once Truforma does come out, which will be released in March. And we've been waiting for this stock to blow up for a couple months already, but it has not hit that point. But in March, it will. So be on the lookout. So currently, it's still at $1.87. It's still a great deal if you plan on holding it. If you do see it go down under 180, probably 175, $1.75 or $1.77, you should be putting more shares in. If it's sticking around $1.87, $1.90, you can probably do some nibbling, put probably 25% in increments. If it does go down even more, then put another 25% of the money that you have set aside specifically for this stock. So those two are the top stocks to be looking out for the following week, first week of March. The last week of February was a pretty big correction ever since September and March of last year. But as you know, I am a long-term hold investor, so I don't mind corrections. Actually, when I see corrections, I rather jump on the stocks I see value in, and I'll be putting more and more money in. And a lot of people are asking, why was there a big correction last week? But one of the main reasons was because of the bond interest rates increasing, and so a lot of people were selling their stocks and going into bonds because interest rates are actually going up a little bit with the 10-year treasury. So a lot of people don't want to be holding on to too many stocks. And a lot of people last week lost a good amount of money. That is, of course, if you sold. But if you did not sell, then it's considered a paper loss. I actually welcome certain corrections because sometimes some of the prices are pushed up way too much and it's not worth the value that it's currently at. So when there are corrections, when other people are selling, you should be buying on great stocks that you see value in for long-term holds, for at least if you plan on holding for 5 10 years, if not longer. So for me, last week, I was actually down more than 10% on my stock portfolio. However, I did bring in more money and purchase more stocks that I see value in, because in time, the stocks will go back up. But if you see value in certain stocks that you're purchasing, then you're pretty much buying the stocks that you see value at a discount. Okay, so you should be jumping in on it last week if you did. A lot of people that I know that invest in stocks and do a lot of research like myself into stocks, we saw it as like Black Friday. Okay, we pounced on a bunch of stocks that have a lot of value. Zomedica, Pltr, Tesla, NEO, XPeng. Those are long-term holds, and there's many more that we plan on holding at least 5 to 10 years, if not longer. Okay. So if you like this video and you like more videos like this where I tell you what stocks to be looking into for the following week, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next one.